Hey everybody, it's been a long time since I posted about my worm farm in my vermi bag, and as you can see, it's loaded with shredded leaves, and I did give it a bunch of food before I left. They're breaking down. Yeah, as you can see, there's a bunch there. So I'm going to do another experiment with, I did the first time with coffee box. I mean, no, excuse me, pizza boxes. So what I did was, I've got two. So I've got one with a little bit of watermelon, and then the second one is a bunch of stuffed cardboard pizza and a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna actually put both of them in here. There's one, and give them a little stuff here that they like. This is like good stuff here, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the other box on top of that with the watermelon. All right, cover it up. Yeah, just like this, and cover it just like that. And I'm gonna see what happens. I'll check within a week or so. Normally I usually put a little bit of spray on there, water spray, just to get everything a little moist. But I do have some extra stuff in that container, which I think I'll go ahead and grab and layer some of that on top of it. And then there we go. I added some of the wetness to it that I've had, so we'll see how it goes.